Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we've got our hands on the highly anticipated OnePlus 12, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about design. The OnePlus 12 exudes elegance with its unibody construction and chromed-out stainless steel rear camera. The waterfall Corning Gorilla Glass 5 display seamlessly merges with the curved frame, offering a luxurious feel.
And that popular slider?
It's back, with a new placement that adds to the device's overall sophistication. Moving on to the display, the OnePlus 12 boasts a stunning 6.8-inch QHD plus AMOLED screen. With PRO XDR certification, Dolby Vision support, and a 120Hz refresh rate, every detail comes to life with vibrant colors and crisp clarity. Whether you're streaming your favorite show or gaming, this display delivers an immersive experience. Now, let's talk cameras.
Equipped with a powerful camera array, including a 50MP wide sensor and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens, the OnePlus 12 captures stunning shots in any lighting condition.
Plus, with Hasselblad fine-tuning and advanced features like Master Mode, you can unleash your creativity and capture pro-level photos. Under the hood, the OnePlus 12 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Whether you're multitasking or gaming, this powerhouse device delivers smooth performance without missing a beat. And with the Trinity engine optimization, you can expect a consistent and responsive user experience. OnePlus is known for pushing the limits of fast charging, and the OnePlus 12 is no exception. With a 5,400 mAh battery and support for up to 100 WSU-PERVOOC charging, you can power up your device in no time. And with the addition of 50 WAIRVOOC wireless charging, you can enjoy the convenience of wireless charging without sacrificing speed. Last but not least, let's talk software. Running on Oxygen OS 14, a lightly skinned version of Android 14, the OnePlus 12 offers a seamless and user-friendly experience. With features like work-life balance, smart launcher, and spatial audio, you can customize your device to suit your needs and preferences. In conclusion, the OnePlus 12 delivers the full flagship experience at an unbeatable price point. With its elegant design, powerful performance, and advanced features, it's a worthy contender in the smartphone market. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a multitasker, or a mobile gamer, the OnePlus 12 has something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and analysis here on Product Critique.